Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to learn how to order food and drinks in a restaurant and how to make positive or negative comments about food. This will improve your ability to use English for basic communication in real situations. Let's make learning English easy and fun. Listen carefully.
Good evening. Welcome to the Cozy Corner. How can I help you?
Good evening. I'm dining alone tonight. Could I have a table for one, please?
Of course. We have a lovely table near the window. Is that okay?
That sounds perfect, thank you.
Please follow me. Here's your table. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. May I see the menu, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. What's good to drink here?
Our apple juice is quite refreshing. Would you like to start with that?
Yes, that would be great. And I'm ready to order whenever you are.
What are you in the mood for tonight? If you need suggestions, the grilled chicken and salad are today's special and highly recommended.
That sounds great. I'll go with your recommendation.
Excellent choice. How about starting with something light, like our vegetable soup?
Sounds good. I'd like the vegetable soup as a starter.
Perfect. I'll bring your apple juice right away, and your food will be prepared shortly. Here's your apple juice. Your soup and grilled chicken will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here's your vegetable soup and grilled chicken with salad. I hope you enjoy your meal.
This looks delicious, thank you. The salad is indeed very fresh.
How was everything?
Yes, it was very good, thank you. Could I have a look at the dessert menu?
Of course, here you are.
The cheesecake looks wonderful. Could I have that with a cup of coffee?
Certainly, one cheesecake and a coffee coming right up.
That was a perfect end to the meal. Could I have the bill, please?
Yes, one moment, please. Here's your bill.
Thank you. Everything was fantastic. Could you process my card for payment?
Of course. Here's the machine. Thank you for your kind words, and it was our pleasure to serve you.
Here's my card. Thank you for the excellent service tonight.
You're very welcome. It was our pleasure to have you. We look forward to your next visit.
Definitely, I'll be back. Good night.
Good night. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on our English journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful lessons. See you next time.